Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make sure your Google form doesn't require sign in for respondents. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in the Google Forms homepage, you can either create a new form by clicking the blank form icon or open an existing form that you want to edit. For this tutorial, I'll use a sample form I've already created. Now to ensure that your form doesn't require sign in, we need to change a setting in the form settings. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open settings. In the settings menu, make sure you're on the general tab. Uncheck the box to allow anyone with the link to follow out your form without signing in. Once you've done that, click Save at the bottom of the settings menu, and that's it. Now your Google form is set up to anyone with the link can access it without needing to sign in. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make your Google form accessible to everyone with it without needing to sign in.